Hello, I'm Miss Kellen. Today is your test, so we will start. What's your name? How do you spell it?
My name is Yahoo.
Okay. How old are you?
I um,
How old are you?
nine
9 years old.
9 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
I joy in mom, dad, my
What color is your hair?
is black
What color are your eyes?
is
What color are your eyes?
black and white.
Very good. What animals do you like?
Black is
Do you like cat?
do you like cats?
Okay. What things have you got in your bedroom?
In your bedroom in bed in in
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is there a teddy next to the bed? Yes or no?
yes
Is there a bed in the bedroom?
yes
How many socks are there on the floor?
no
How many socks are there on the floor?
yes
How many?
yes and cupboard.
Okay. What's under the desk? What's under the desk?
No
Where's the blanket?
yes
Where is the blanket?
no
What color is the blanket? Okay. Where is the computer?
no
What's on the wall? What's on the wall? Okay. How many pens are there on the cupboard? How many?
no
3 or 5? How many pens are there on the cupboard? How many pens?
and
Okay. How many books are there on the shelf?
three.
Okay. Next. What can he do?
Yes, they can. And
Next. Can the girl dance?
yes, they can.
Can the boy sing?
No, they can't.
What can the monkey do?
Yes, they can.
Can the girl walk?
No, they can.
Can the boy swim?
No, they can.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
What time is it?